and welcome. We're here at Burraneer. This is 11 Willaburra Road. Let's take a wander through.
You are absolutely spoilt for choice when it comes to living zones in this home. We've got area out the back that flows onto the yard and these additional areas out the front that capture the beautiful bay view. It is so whisper quiet here. If you listen carefully, you might even hear Matt out on his jet ski.
The owners have done you two favours. First, you can grow your own produce with this north-facing aspect. Second, if you prefer a pool, it's already been provisioned for. Triple car garage, games room, it's all here. One of the best things about this Burraneer lifestyle is your access to Cronulla and all the beaches it's got to offer. I might as well head down there now. You can cruise down to Cronulla Beach and have a surf. How good would this be?